After your adjustment, we do spinal remodeling, or what's called neuromuscular reeducation. Basically what we're doing is we're retraining your posture, stimulating your brain to strengthen and stabilize your spine after we just made a corrective change in your adjustment. This helps with the postural retraining, strengthening and stabilization of the spine, helps you hold the adjustment longer, and is part of our spinal correction process. So every time after you get adjusted, you'll also do exercises to set in that adjustment. In addition, on all our corrective health plans, we have home care and spinal rehab that we'll be recommending that's specific to you as well. So not only can you get benefits from your care here in the office, you can get those benefits at home, which help you receive better results faster.